Melanie trailer, and welcome back to the Hello Posy Quilt Along. We are on week four. So if you are just now jumping into this quilt along or hearing about this quilt along, Hello Posy is a pattern within the book Alive with Quilts. You can find that book at meanderingmate.com. So week 4, our task this week is to make another 6 blocks, bringing our total to 18. If you again are just jumping in on week 1, we cut our fabric and organized it. On week 2, there was a tutorial for how to make the block, and on week 3 we talked about workflow and batch sewing. Just kind of a more efficient way of getting the blocks made. If you want, go and back and watch another one of those videos if you are needing help with any of those areas. I am loving seeing all your blogs pop up on Instagram. They make me really happy every time I see them. I just really like seeing how other people play with color and fabrics, and it's a lot of fun. A lot of you are fussy cutting. I always love seeing fussy cutting, and this is a great blog to do that on. So we're giving away some more great prizes this time. I think there's 2 or 3 winners this round, which will happen on next Tuesday. So make sure that you're using the hashtag HelloPosyQAL to post your progress, and you're following all the sponsors. I had a question about how I'm choosing the winners, and it's just kind of randomly. I just kind of scroll and then blindly choose a winner. I do check to make sure they're following all the sponsors, and that's that easy to win. So the more you post, the better your chances of winning. We're a little bit further than halfway through the quilt along, so I do want to encourage you to stay with your blocks, but I also want to say, we have these quilt alongs not only for connection, but also to give you a structure and a schedule to keep pace at finishing a quilt, because finishing quilts are a struggle for everyone. So sometimes we just whip through a quilt, and then sometimes it just never gets done. I've got whips from years ago. So if you are falling behind, or if you only managed to get 1 of 6 of your blocks done, that's okay. The schedule is there to kind of help you keep pace, but it's not set in stone. If your life is getting in the way, that's okay. You have to kind of just go with the flow. So don't give yourself a hard time. Some of us are in seasons where it's easier to make blocks than other ones of us. Some of us have children, some of us have jobs, some of us, can't get a moment's peace. So be where you are, and it's okay if you aren't meeting our goals every week. They're just, it's just for fun. Don't be giving yourself a hard time. I just want to make sure that you all are not stressed or overwhelmed or anything like that. I prefer the quilt alongs when they are every other week, but because I did 5 this year from the book, we've had to keep this weekly task, and I am struggling myself. Anyway, I just want to put that out there and make sure everybody's okay. I'm going to give you a quick look at my blocks, and then I'm going to sign off. So don't forget to post your progress, use the hashtag, and have fun sewing. I will see you next Wednesday.